Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. Voice chat can completely change the way you play Roblox by letting you talk with other players in real time instead of typing messages. It makes communicating with friends much easier. Whether you're playing with friends or joining social experiences, voice chat adds a whole new level of interaction to Roblox. So, without further delay, let's get started. First, open the Roblox website and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and then select Settings. Once you're on the settings page, make sure you've added an email address to your account and that it has been verified. After that, go to the Privacy and Content Restriction section, then go to Communication. Here, look for Experience Chat and make sure it's turned on. If it's currently off, enable it. At this point, Roblox may show a Verify Your Age prompt if your age hasn't been verified yet. To use voice chat, you'll need to complete the age verification process. You can do this on your PC if your computer has a webcam available. If not, you can simply log into your Roblox account on a smartphone and use your phone's camera to complete the age verification process. Once your age verification is approved, you'll be able to continue with the voice chat setup. Now turn on both Experience Chat and Direct Chat. After that, go back to the communication section, then click on Party, make sure both Party and Group Party are enabled as well. After that, go back one more time, and this time open Camera Input. Toggle it on to enable camera input for supported experiences, and that's it. These are the main settings you need to enable to get voice chat and communication features working properly in Roblox. I hope this video helped you enable voice chat on Roblox. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments and feel free to share this video with friends who also want to enable Roblox voice chat. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.